In this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how to run EXE files on your school computer. Note that this only works for single process EXE files, so if you look in Task Manager, you'll only see one process under the task. In this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating with a web browser called PaleMoon, which is confirmed to work with this exploit. So the first thing you're going to do is join the Aluminum Depot Discord server. That's discord.gg/aluminum. Once you're there, you're going to click on the Community Exploits Forum channel, and then you're going to click on TeamsJack. You can open that up, and then go to the pinned messages and click on the mega.nz link. Once you're there, you can download the file of your choice. I'm doing PaleMoon for this example, which is the web browser. Save that to your downloads folder. Then what you're going to do, you're going to look up Teams, click on it, and open the file location of that. Then right-click on the shortcut and open the file location of that. This is your Teams folder. So then you're going to click on Current, open that up, and then in a new tab or window, open up your Downloads folder. Then you can extract your zip file that you just downloaded from Mega. And then open that up completely until you see a bunch of files. Copy everything and then paste it into your current folder, which is in the Teams folder. And if you get a pop-up, replace all the files. Then finally, you can just double-click on teams.exe and you'll get a pop-up, 2 pop-ups, and your app should start. So specifically for PaleMoon, if you would like to use this at school, you're going to go into Settings, click on Advanced, click on Network, click on Connection Settings, and turn on No Proxy. And then click OK, OK again, and you should have a fully unblocked web browser. If there's a game or app that you'd like to use that's not already in that Mega folder, you can go to the pins of the TeamsJack channel in the Aluminum Depot Discord, and then you can fill out the form that's pinned to request a game or app. If you like this exploit, then be sure to join the Aluminum Depot Discord at discord.gg/aluminum, and also be sure to try out our proxy tinfoil at tinfoil.tech. If tinfoil is blocked for you, then just go to the links channel in Aluminum Depot and you can get as many links as you want.